Hi, following on the topic of Consensus Hong Kong, I'm going to show you 4 groups that I think you should be a part of, simply for the reason that you have a chance to go and message the people that are in those groups from the teams that you're interested in. So you can just enter this group, you can go to the members section, you can turn on the search, and then, for example, you want to meet people at, I don't know, StarkNet. You can just go there and filter for StarkNet, and it will show you people that are working with StarkNet. You go, you drop them a DM, you set up for a meeting, you go to Consensus, you meet them in person. Basically, that's it. This is one of the tips that I shared with my people and people that are watching the channel and people that know what I'm doing on a free webinar that I ran last week. You can still access the webinar by a link. It's going to be the first link in my description. It's a 1 hour long webinar with answering the questions from community and also giving a short presentation explaining what exactly you need to do to prepare for an event, how to run the event effectively, and what to do after the event to make sure that all the progress that you have done at the event with the leads and the people that you have met is not lost. If you're interested, there's going to be all links in the description. Subscribe for the channel. Next week we're going to unpack even more things about events and how to be a more effective BD. If you're interested in any aspect of what I'm sharing, just drop me a DM or join our community and ask it on the community. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye.